Hello everyone, let me introduce our semi-one to you. This portion is our menu, and you can easily see that our menu have 8 different models. Firstly, we can select model portion. We can find it have 6 type worker models. And we will select simple model. You can adjust the rate of number is 10 minutes. And the next one is value temp model. It has weight B and temp parameters can adjust it. For instance, we can adjust weight B is 10 milliliters and the temp is 5 minutes. This one is value weight model. Then you can input the drug name in here. The weight of number can adjust it according to the patient of a situation. This is concentration. This is dose rate. And the last one is weight B. This one is sequential model. You can adjust weight B and the temp number. This one is micro model, and its rate of largest number is 100 milliliters. We can decrease it. It is intermittent model. You can set some number for below parameters. Okay, let's go ahead to next module is brain. For example, we will choose Xinhua brain. Let me show you how to install the 30 milliliters of syringe into our product. When we pull it and turn to your right, and we can see a gap in here. So we should take the syringe of backside, connect to this gap, and recover the original location. Okay, I will select bolus. A bolus has different size. By the way, our product can recognize a different size of syringe that include 2 milliliters, 5 milliliters, 10, 20, 30, and 50 milliliters. This module is fast portion. Its parameters just like bolus. It selects KVO. Its parameters just like the last module, but the KVO of weight B number is changed with rate. We will continually select occlusion. It has a certain pressure level for your selecting, and the underlying of different units can for your choose. This is sound setting. It have level 7 for your adjusted. This one is brightness setting. If you are working at night and choose a dark of brightness, it will not disturb the patient of sleep. If you are working during the day, then you can choose the largest brightness. The next one is temp setting. And this one is language setting. It is very important for our client of need. And the present, we have Chinese, English, Turkish, Russia, so on. You can see that. If you want to earn your mother language, and we can add your native language in our product, that will become your advantage. This is a pressure record. We can check every patient of situation from the parameters. And this one is lock screen time setting. This is from 0 to 10 minutes. This forgotten operation reminder setting is from 1 minute to 10 minutes. And this one is soon finish alarm time setting is from 1 minute to 30 minutes. This is night mode setting. When we touch it, then can become the night mode on and we can start setting some parameter of number. This is patient information. Include department number, the bed number, medical record number, and patient of first name and last name. A patient of type, weight, gender, height, and date of birth. So far as I know that we have more than 10,000 of joggers in our product. And at the same time, we can rotary shutter, which can control the touch screen. For example, we want to select model, then we can turn to select it and push down. And press again, then we can adjust the rate of number. And we can select return option. And choose again return option. Finally, let me show you the back of product. Obviously, we can see that have two ports. This one port is AC power connection port. Can connect to the external power supply through this port. Another port is multifunction. It combines DC power input port and RS-232 port. DC power input port used in the ambulance and the RS-232 port used for connection with workstations. Thank you.